Korean party spokesperson who grappled with rifle-wielding soldiers, sent to stop lawmakers from entering the National Assembly, has gone viral as a symbol of defiance against martial law. The dramatic video showed Ahn Gwi Ryong, a 35-year-old spokesperson for South Korea's opposition Democratic Party, boldly grabbing a soldier's weapon amidst chaos on Tuesday, 3rd December. But she insisted that she was not especially brave. My only thought was that I just needed to stop them. I pushed them away, shook them off, and did everything I could, Ahn said on Thursday, 5th December, in an interview with Reuters. Ahn said she was scared and felt that it was dangerous, but a lot of people were fighting against martial law troops, so I just thought I also had to stop them. As lawmakers were gathering on Tuesday, their aides blocked entrances with furniture, formed human walls and sprayed martial law troops with fire extinguishers. In just 2 hours after the president declared martial law, 190 lawmakers made their way to the parliament and unanimously voted to block it. Video of her confronting the soldier went viral on social media, with one of the video clips on YouTube seen more than 1.2 million times as of late Thursday. Let go. Don't you feel ashamed? Ahn says in the video clip, as she grabbed a soldier's rifle, after which the confronted soldier stepped back. Asked if she knew it would gain that much attention, Ahn said, "There were many people braver than me who stood up to the martial law troops. There were people who even managed to stop armored vehicles outside. So, I don't think my actions were particularly special," Ahn said, referring to people who were blocked by the military and police from entering the complex. The commander of the martial law troops said on Thursday he had no intention to wield firearms against the public. The country's vice defense minister said no live ammunition was provided to the troops. South Korean opposition lawmakers plan to vote this weekend to impeach the president. I think that the people have already psychologically impeached President Yoon Suk-yeol, Ahn said. Who could trust a president declaring martial law almost like a child playing games or entrust the nation to such leadership?